I'm here to share this book with you, and it's a really fun one too. It's called What's Inside? And you can see that a little turtle is hatching out of an egg. The author is Mary Jane Martin. She wrote the words and she also drew the pictures. Took the pictures, I'm sorry. She took the pictures with her camera. And the title, your turn, it's What's Inside? Ooh, here we have a hen. What's inside? Any guesses? It's a baby chicken. That's what's inside. Oh, I see a turtle. What's inside? You guessed it. It's a baby turtle. That's what's inside. What's this? A penguin. What's inside? The daddy penguin is holding the egg on his feet to keep it warm. It's a baby penguin. That's what's inside. Oh, what is this? Some kind of fish? What's inside? It's a baby fish. That's what's inside. Ooh, what's this? Ah, yikes. It's a snake. What's inside? It's a baby snake. It's even cute. That's what's inside. Ooh, what kind of bird is this? I don't know. Some kind of heron, I guess. What's inside? Ah, it's a baby heron. That's what's inside. What's inside? Ooh, some kind of lizard. Oh, it's a baby salamander. Lots of baby salamanders. Aren't they amazing? And that's the end.